Alright guys, another update on the Bel-Air. Got a lot of work done, but we still have a lot to do. Let me show you real quick. Here are the freeze plugs that were leaking. You can tell. They got these little holes in them. That's not going to keep water in very well. So luckily we got those replaced. Here's also the transmission seal. The little spring inside was broken, so it wasn't keeping fluid in, so got that replaced too. We also were able to route the spark plugs the correct way they're supposed to go. Here's a look at the new freeze plugs in the back. Brand new motor mounts. We're able to clean up the engine, make it look presentable. It's not a restoration, it's a preservation, so I just cleaned it. I didn't paint or anything. Over here, there's the monster power glide that I'm in the process of cleaning up. Lots of junk on that. But what I wanted to show you was, here's what's left of the transmission mount. And there's the other half right there. So that mount, and also here's the other half of the motor mounts. Old and nasty. We replaced them, and there's the new seal and transmission. So I'm hoping by this time next week we'll at least have it back in the car. And there it is, waiting. Alright, here's one more quick update for you guys. I've been working on this paint a little bit in my free time, and I was able to do here to here on this passenger door. And then I left this door to kind of show you guys the difference. You can see the reflection. And once you get to the back door, it pretty much goes away. I think it shines up pretty good for as old as the paint is. Once you get to this back door, you can see all the oxidation and dirt on the paint. Here's another view of oxidized, not oxidized. You can see the shine really well on that. Well, we have good news and we have bad news. The good news is the car, everything that we fixed by pulling the drivetrain is fixed and it works. And the car runs and it drives, and we drove it around to the auto parts store and back. The bad news is that once we got home, this happened. The heater core decided to go out. So the way I see it, if the radiator's new, radiator cap is new, water pump's new, all the freeze plugs are new, and the hoses are new, even the ones of the heater core, the last thing to blow up or to fail is the heater core. So might as well just replace every single piece of the coolant system. Other than that, not really any complaints other than we can't get correct wiper blades for the car. So it's gonna go in the garage for a week. until I get back from vacation, and then the next thing will be the heater core. So that's it for this week.